Room to rent on Cyclops Mews, Isle of Dogs, Canary Wharf, Docklands E14, marketed by Rice Samuels. Rice Samuels is pleased to present to the market this room to rent on Cyclops Mews, Isle of Dogs, Canary Wharf, Docklands E14. Asking rent price is 700 PCM, 162 PW, pounds. This property is located on Cyclops Mews, Isle of Dogs, Canary Wharf, Docklands E14. View this property on map. Explore this property neighborhood. This property has easy access to different transport links. Nearest airport include London City Airport, London Heathrow Airport, London Gatwick Airport. Nearest ferry terminals include Mast House Terrace Pier, Greenland Pier, Greenwich Pier. Some excellent schools are near this property, making it an ideal purchase for families. Nearest primary schools include Street Edmund Roman Catholic School, Harbinger Primary School, Canary Wharf Primary School. Nearest secondary schools include Marathon Science School, Bellaby's College London, George Green's School. Nearest other schools include UAV Pupil Referral Unit, Haberdashers Askers Hatcham College, Out of School Provision PRU. Swimming pool. Bedroom. Living room. Kitchen. Bathroom. Swimming pool. House front. Gym. Recent sales near this property are shown here with sale prices. This property is marketed by Rice Samuels. They have expertise in different type of properties, including but not limited to bungalow, detached, end terrace house, flat, house, link detached, maisonette, property, room, semi-detached house, studio, terraced house and more. Rice Samuels specialize in sale and rent of properties in Aldgate, Battersea, Beckton, Blackheath, Blackwall, Bromley-Bibo, Camberwell, Canada Water, Canary Wharf, Canning Town, Cubitt Town, Dageham, Dartford, Deptford and more. For further details please visit Houser website.